watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to today's video. If you love rustic holiday decor, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll show you some DIY burlap and pinecone Christmas ornaments ideas. These handmade ornaments are simple, affordable, and perfect for bringing a cozy, natural feel to your holiday decorations. Whether for your tree, garlands, or gift wrapping, these ideas are sure to inspire. Let's get started. Here are some creative ideas to craft beautiful ornaments using burlap and pine cones. Plastic burlap bow ornament. Tie a burlap ribbon into a bow and attach it to a small pine cone for a simple rustic look. Burlap wrapped pine cones. Wrap pine cones in strips of burlap, securing them with twine or hot glue for a cozy texture. Mini pine cone garland. String small pine cones with burlap twine to create a charming garland for your tree. Snow-tipped pine cones. Brush white paint onto the edges of pine cones for a snowy effect, then tie them with burlap strings. Burlap star ornament. Cut burlap into star shapes, layer them with a pine cone centerpiece, and hang with twine. Rustic pine cone ball. Glue pine cones together to form a ball, then wrap it with burlap strips for a unique ornament. Burlap and pinecone angels. Create angel ornaments using a pine cone as the body and burlap wings. Mini burlap stockings. Sew tiny stockings out of burlap and decorate them with pine cone accents. Burlap rosette and pinecone combo. Make small burlap rosettes and glue them to pine cones for elegant tree decor. Pinecone snowflake ornament. Arrange smaller pine cones in a snowflake pattern and wrap the center with burlap. Hanging pine cone bundles. Tie 3 pine cones together with burlap and hang them as a set for a rustic look. Burlap and pinecone wreath accent. Use small burlap and pinecone ornaments to decorate a Christmas wreath. Pinecone and burlap gift toppers. Wrap gifts with burlap ribbon and add a small pinecone ornament as a topper. Burlap fringe tassels. Create tassels from frayed burlap strips and attach them to pine cones for added texture. Rustic pinecone bell ornament. Attach small bells to pine cones with burlap for a festive, jingly touch. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these DIY burlap and pinecone Christmas ornament ideas bring warmth and creativity to your holiday decor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cozy holiday inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting and have a wonderful holiday season.